Hi and welcome to the forest. In this video I will show you how to use a sawmill to salvage old wood or lumber, and I will also show you a little trick that I use to get rusty nails out of wood without snapping the head of the nail. If you are new to this channel, my name is Niklas, and in this channel I will show you our daily life here in the forest of Sweden. And if you want to support my work, please consider to hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that very much. So I have these old floor joists from the log cabin that are damaged by moisture. They are no good to be used as floor beams anymore, but you don't have to throw them away or burn them up. I will show you how to restore them to be used as lumber for other projects. So of course you can use a skill saw to cut away a damaged part like this. But if you have a sawmill or know someone that has, you can do so much more to it, like taking down the thickness of the board. So in my case I will remove this part and then flip them over to the flat side and cut away the surface from the board to reduce the dimension of the board. So this floor beams has been damaged by moisture, and as you can see this part is totally damaged. I will start to remove the old wood that are nailed to the beam. And here is a trick I use if a rusty nail is stuck and you are risking to just snap the head of the nail. Hit it once or twice with a hammer, then it's much easier to pull out with the crowbar. So finally all the nails are now removed and I can fire up the sawmill. I will start to cut away the top part from the joist that are damaged, and then I will flip them over to the flat side and cut the thin piece from the thickness to reduce the dimension of the joist. One salvage floor joist done and two more to go. So I have removed all the damaged wood. I took away almost 2 inches on the height, and I also took away a thin piece of wood from both sides. So the thickness of the wood is now 2 inches and the height is 6 inches. And it's looking much better than before. So I will continue working with the two others floor joists, and I want to say thank you for watching on my videos, and I hope to see you in the next one. So for now, take care and I see you later.